Hi everyone, this is Ila Arora and in this video we are going to see phase diagram of water system. Students, water is one component system because it's a single compound, but it can exist in three states. What are these three states? We know that water can exist in solid state as ice, then it can be exist in liquid state as water, and it can exist in steam or vapor state as gaseous state, right? So these three states are interconvertible if you will change your pressure and temperature. This is pressure temperature graph. It is called phase diagram and it is used to see, or it is used to understand how the phase transitions are going on. Okay, if you are changing the temperature or pressure conditions, then how the states are changing. Here also you can see some points are there, some curves are there, and some areas are there, and then we have one triple point and one metastable equilibrium. So one by one we'll see and we'll try to understand this phase diagram of water. So first, if you will see, we have these points, point A, point B, point C. These are the critical point of states. Okay, then we have this curve OA dash, metastable equilibrium. Here the water is present in supercool liquid state. Then we have this curve, first curve OA, this is called vapor pressure curve. Curve OB, this is sublimation curve, and then we have curve OC. We have some areas, area AOB, AOB, where water is present in vapor state. Then we have area AOC, here water is present in liquid state. Then we have area BOC, where water is present in ice state. Then we have triple point where three states they coexist here. All the states they can exist here. It is called triple point, right? Now one by one we'll see the degree of freedom and we'll see all the equilibrium also. So first curve is OA. Okay, this is the curve OA. Here if you will see, this is called vapor pressure curve, and in this curve we have water and vapor state in equilibrium. It means we have liquid and gaseous states, they are in equilibrium. So how many phases are there? Two phases are there. According to the phase rule equation, degree of freedom can be calculated by this formula C minus P plus 2. C is number of components. So water is single component, right? Single component system. So C will be 1. Number of phases are 2. Already I told you. Okay, as per this equilibrium, water vapor equilibrium, two phases are there, liquid and gas, plus 2. So here this is 1 means it is univariant. This is univariant system. Next curve is OB curve. So we'll talk about this curve. This is sublimation curve. Sublimation means what? That you have ice and that can be changed into vapor. Means solid is in equilibrium with gaseous state. So again two phases are there. So again we'll write the formula C minus P plus 2. Single component, two phases. So again you will get univariant. Right? Then last curve. Last curve is OC curve. This curve, OC curve, this is called fusion curve. Fusion curve means ice is in equilibrium with water. Means solid is in equilibrium with liquid state. So again you will get univariant system. 1 minus 2 plus 2. So again univariant. So all the curves are showing univariant system. Then areas. If you will see all the area, suppose I am talking about area OC, AOC. So this area AOC, is showing you only liquid state. Then suppose I am saying area BOC. So this area means this area BOC, it is showing you only ice. means solid state, right? Then if I am talking about the area AOB, this area is showing you vapor state, means gaseous state. So if you will see all the areas, they are showing you one single phase. One single phase they are showing. Here liquid, here solid, and here gaseous state. So in areas, if you will calculate your degree of freedom, so number of phases will be 1, because only one single state we are showing. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 equal to 2, means all the areas are bivariant, because phase is only 1, right? Either solid, either liquid, or either vapor state. Then we have this triple point O. What is triple point? Where all the states, they coexist. They can exist at this point, solid as well as liquid and gaseous state also. So here if you will count your degree of freedom, C minus P plus 2, number of component 1 as usual, but phases are 3 because all the states they can exist, plus 2. So it will be, what will be? It will be 0, means it is non-variant. It is non-variant at triple point 0, at triple point O. Then we have last this curve, this dotted curve, this is OA, and this is called metastable equilibrium. Metastable equilibrium. So here your water is present in supercooled state, supercooled liquid state, but if you will change any pressure or temperature condition, or if you will add some impurity, okay, then it will change into solid state. It will change into solid state. So I hope now you understood all the things of this phase diagram. So kindly like, share and subscribe. Thanks for